warmly welcome you all here today, and thank God we've been blessed with a fantastic day again.
The festival is all about celebrating the best of local produce and acknowledging the wonderful food heritage and reputation we have here in County Waterford.
On behalf of Waterford County Festival of Food, I thank you for attending here today for the launch of the 4th Waterford Festival of Food.
Hi, thank you very much. We've lovely ham sandwiches. The ham is from John David Power, on gorgeous country bread from Barron's in Cappoquin. Gambia have provided drinks, and Lola's Hotel Connor has made the most gorgeous toffee apples. And then our pièce résistance are crow beans from country style cuisine. So tuck in everyone. Thank you.
Second year even more so, which was incredible. See that already. There were
Speculation and argument.
and to announce the winner of the business section first. GL Arts, congratulations. I know this is food festival, but art, this is food folks.